okay. This year, for the first time, I'm in a worldwide award. It's called the Refocus Awards. I was sent an invite after coming third place among photographers in the WITS University Awards, which is our continent's second best universities award show for the arts. So, I want your votes. Now, I am not under any illusion that I should win this award, because when I look at other people's photos, I'm like, Jesus Christ. Yes, I am under the professional category, but I've been using a 20-year-old camera to pull off every single one of these things, and it's a little bit nuts if I'm being honest. So I'm a bit in a new realm. However, I still want to do as best as I can. Just because I'm fighting the heavyweight champion of the world all of a sudden doesn't mean that I shouldn't try to knock this man out. I should hit him as hard as I can. So this is where you come in. The one vote which we have control over is the People's Choice vote. And so far there's already been 12,000 votes put in. And it's the very first day. I'm still in a little bit of shock, honestly. But I need you to vote for me, just in support of my image, of my images. It's a group of 5 images, and the project is called Holy Light of Origin. I don't think I'm gonna win, but at the same time, I'll go for it like I am, you know? Support me. My greatness is you.